Hey, I'm Joey. Have you ever needed to remove sensitive information from a PDF or image, but was just too tedious or complicated? Yeah, me too. That's why I built MagicRedact, a tool that automatically redacts sensitive information in seconds. Let me quickly show you how it works. There's no need to install any software. Just go to MagicRedact.com, upload your PDF or image, and click the magic wand. For the demo here, we'll go with a sample PDF. After it loads, we'll go ahead and use the magic wand. And that's it. After a few seconds, our AI instantly redacts sensitive details for you. If the AI misses anything, you can easily add or remove redactions manually. MagicRedact is completely free to use, but if you're a power user or need multi-page PDF support, we got affordable plans just for you. Plus, the code is fully open source on GitHub, so you can trust exactly what's happening behind the scenes. Head over to MagicRedact.com today and give it a try. Thanks.